Hello friends, today's topic is food chain. Do you know where we get all the energy from? We get the energy from the sun. It's us light and heat. All the plants and grass get the energy from the sun and they make their own food. That's why they are called producers. Herbivores like rabbit and eat the plants, the producers, and that's why they are called primary consumers. All the carnivores eat herbivores. Foxes eat rabbits and that's why they are called secondary consumers. No animals eat fox because they are the apex consumers and at the top of the food chain. If no one eats fox, how will the energy flow? If no other animals eat fox, then where will that energy go? If all these animals and plants die, they will all get decomposed by bacteria or worms and they are called decomposers. All that energy goes back to the plants in the form of compost and that completes our food chain. This is the example of the shortest food chain. In this food chain we have producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers and decomposers. Now I am going to show you another example of a longer food chain. In this example, the grasshopper eats the grass, the producer. This example, the grasshopper is a primary consumer and eats the grass, whereas the bird eats the grasshopper and it's a secondary consumer. The snakes can eat the bird, so they are the tertiary consumers. The eagles or owls can eat the snakes, but no one eats the eagle and owl, and they are the apex consumers. If no one eats eagle or owl, where will that energy go? When all these consumers die, they are decomposed by bacteria or worms. And all that energy goes back to the producers in the form of compost. Found two types of food chains, one shorter and one longer. Sometimes the food chains can get complex, so they are called food webs. Now you got to know what is a food chain. The food chain is a transfer of energy from one organism to another organism. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.